if you are using the publisher theme on Shopify, you'll realize that it is difficult for you to remove the Powered by Shopify default text that is here, and you do not want that for your store, which a lot of people do not want that. All right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you exactly how you can remove this Powered by Shopify text right here in your publisher theme. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your theme library, okay, just like this. Then right here you want to find your publisher theme, which I have right here looking at me, okay. And the next thing is you want to click on this three-dotted horizontal line, correct? Then you go to edit default theme content, okay. You click on that, and right here in this theme content, you want to click on this search and filter, and you want to search for powered, okay, or powered by. Okay, so now you have the powered or powered by. You can type powered by, so, and you have it right there like this. So the next thing you want to do is you can first search for powered. So in case yours looks different, you can just type powered or powered by. You're gonna see it right there. So right there you want to edit these, and what you want to do is the moment you click on this powered by section, you want to put space, and that is it. Then you want to scroll down to this part also that says this shop will be powered by Shopify, and you want to cancel all these, and you put space also, because if you do not put space, it's going to say content incomplete or whatever. So you want to put space, okay, you want to add space, and you want to save, okay. So you want to save the progress, so you hit on save, okay, and go. Now theme content updated. So the next thing you want to do now is by the time you go back and we refresh this page, you'll see that you're not going to see that again. Let me do that now. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, voila, there is no powered by text right there any longer. Okay, so this is exactly how you can remove the powered by Shopify text in your publisher theme. Okay, and another thing you can even do is to actually add your own. You can just say powered by Maeve. Okay, so that way you can just say powered by brand name. That's it all. That is also good. Okay, so. And then the theme content has been updated. Okay, so once I go back, I refresh. And now you can see powered by Maeve is there already. All right. So this is exactly how you can remove Shopify, powered by Shopify from your page in the publisher team. And also, if there's any other team out there that you are using, this is also applicable to several other teams. You can also use the same method just by going to your team's defaults. What's it called? Yeah, to your default team content. Okay, so that is where you go to, and you can easily edit your powered by Shopify text. If this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorials like this in my channel. And give it a thumbs up also if you like this, and I'll see you in another video tutorial. If you have any question, drop them in the comment box. I'm ready to help. Thank you, peace, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.